beginning level tap dancers. This is Exit Space at Your Place. This is the combo that we are going to be working on for the month of May. We learned this last night, May 5th, Tuesday, May 5th. So this is as far as we got. So I'm going to break it down so you can practice at home. And also I'll do it with music as well. So if you already know it, you can just go straight to the music and practice it. Or if you weren't able to attend class last night, go ahead and learn it, have some fun with it, and hopefully join me next week. Also, don't forget to check out Exit Space's new YouTube channel. I will be posting this there, as well as sending this out to tap dancers who have attended my class. So the first step we're going to take is the primrose. This was in a previous video, so I'm going to take it a little bit faster. So you start with your flat ball change on the right, a 1 and 2. You're going to flat back, to the side, and stamp over. And you're going to do that 3 times in a row. When it comes to those 2 flaps in the middle, these 2 right here, it's okay if they're not perfectly back and perfectly side. You're going to adapt it to the space that you're dancing in. If I had a ton of space, I would travel this way across the floor. So we're going to do that 3 times in a row. Remember, one of the options you have as well is to turn it. So I'm going to demonstrate that turning as well too. So I'd go flat, change. I would go to the back. I'd start turning over my left shoulder. To the side. That one's going to bring me almost all the way around. And forward with that stamp. Now again, that's not going to be perfectly placed based on the tempo of how fast you do it. So if I did it faster, you may notice that my flaps happen in different places. That's okay. And that would be the turning version. So we do 3 in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 5 and 6. 7 and 8. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. Then we're going to go flat heel right, flat heel left, flat double heel flat. From there, we do this little crawl. So you're going to go toe turned in on the left foot, heel drop, toe out, heel drop. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to go off the cat 5, 6, 7, 8. Do the same thing on the right. Make sure you start turned in so you can go somewhere and close to the other way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those little crawls again go left, heel, toe, heel, step, right, left. Now right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, I go into a crawl, a bigger crawl. Start really close again because it's going to go quite a ways out. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Give me a little jazzy hand reach. 8. And then you're going to repeat that back in with the toe, heel, 5, 6, 7. Make sure that weight transfers, hold, count 8. So I'm going to do all of that. Here we go. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. This is your primrose. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. Flat, heel, flat, heel, flat, heel, heel. Crawl. 2, 3, 4. And then, now it's your long crawl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. From there, super easy next. 4 flat heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 8 running flaps. 6, 7, 8. Good. Very last little section we got to is repeated on both sides. You're going to do 2 slow paddle and rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 fast. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Hold 8. You'll do the same thing left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Double time. And that's where you're finished with your weight on that right foot. So I'm going to do that whole thing without music, and then I'll do it with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Flat, heel, flat, heel, flat, heel, heel. Crawl, 2, 3, 4. Crawl. Big crawl. 1, 2, 4, 5, All right, let's try this with some music. 5, 6, 7, 8.
What good is sitting alone in your room? Come hear the music play. Life is a cabaret show. Come to the cabaret. Put down that nip, the crook and the broom. Time for a holiday. Life is a cabaret show. So come to the cabaret. Come taste the wine. Come hear that band.